Hello, my name is Luis Jose Paredes, a student of Industrial Engineering at UNAD University. My house is a big and comfortable. It has three bedrooms and two bathrooms. It has a large living room and a dining room, a very large kitchen and large garden. I work in mining company. As a chemical analyst, my work shifts are 7 days and 4 days of rest. In my break, I like to go to the movies and go out partying. I like to play video games and practice airsoft. Sometimes I go to the gyms. In summer break, I practice mountain bike. Agustin Codazzi is a big town, big, happy, and friendly people. It it is a tour of parties, with beautiful landscapes and many places to go and have a good time. Gracias.